It's August 2019. I started in February this year. I have already made a little bit over $100,000 and I have just turned 18. Stay tuned and I will show you my personal strategy for making money online. Hey there, it's Dan from The Online Hustle, and I know it has been a while since I posted a video here, probably like a week or two, but that is because I was busy building something insane for you. So in today's video, I want to share with you literally the best way to make money online as a complete beginner in 2019. So first off, I want to show you proof that I did it. So this is my PayPal account. You can see my name there, and you can see that I have made a little bit over $100,000. And let me refresh this so you can see it's not a screenshot or whatever. And as I said, it took me 6 months to get to this result, and you can see it's still there. So I started in February. I was 17 back then, and now in August 2019, I already have $100,000, and I'm probably going to double this by the end of this year. So I know you're now wondering how I was actually able to get to these results, and so I will talk more about that in this video. So first off, this is all from my affiliate sales in my own products. So let me go to my Warrior Plus account, where you can see that today I have made $600 from affiliate sales, and yesterday I made $948. But that's not all. I also have my JVZoo account open here, where you can see that just today I made around $200. So what I'm actually doing is I'm using some right techniques to find high converting special offers in the right time. Then I also have 3 different traffic sources that not a lot of people talks about, where I bring that hot traffic with the average conversion rate of 30%, which is really high. Now if you remember, around 2 months ago I have created a course on this topic, but it wasn't really in depth. It was like 10 to 15 lectures, and I admit it wasn't good enough. But despite the fact that I personally think it wasn't good enough and the lectures were not that much in depth, there are tons of students who enrolled back then that are now killing it, and some of them even making up to $1,000 in a single day. But since I personally wasn't satisfied with that training, I knew there's much more to share. I knew that I can teach you way more, and I felt guilty because I didn't share all of my secret tricks and tips to maximize your results. And so I decided to recreate that course, to do some insane upgrades, longer and more in-depth lectures, to add new lectures, to share more tricks, to show you more tips, to get to help you get way better results, and that literally no one talks about. And that's why I spent the last 2 months, or almost 2 months, with my building this with my 2 partners, creating this new, better and upgraded training where I'm 100% transparent with you, showing you every step that it took to get to these amazing results, where to get to this stage where I can show you 6 figures in my PayPal account, revealing you every trick and giving you all the needed tips and all the needed tools to recreate my success. Because if I can do it, because all of the students could do this and can still keep making a lot of money with this, even though they got the demo version of this training, they got not that much in-depth lectures, why can't you? We're just regular people. One of the students kept his regular $40,000 per year job and does this in his spare time, and is still able to make at least $100 per day. So if you have a bit free time and you're ready to work, then I highly recommend you stay with me, because if you leave this video and you keep watching different videos on YouTube, you try to hop from one to another, trust me, you won't make a penny. You have to stick with one right strategy and work on it every single day, and trust me, you will see amazing results. And keep in mind, this is not a get-rich-quick method. This is a real sustainable business, and you have to treat it like a business. So if you're just looking for a quick buck, you want to make a couple of dollars here and there, then I will invite you to leave this video, because today we're talking about big money. Today we're talking about how you can make some life-changing income. And so if that's not something that you're interested in, then feel free to watch some other video. But if you want to see my own personal method and you want to see all of the steps that took me to these amazing figures, then keep watching. So as I said, inside of this training, I will be revealing you my own personal strategy. And since it's my own personal system, it's my own personal strategy, there won't be thousands of people that you have to compete with. and that's another reason why this training is different from other ones and why it's better than other ones. And I know tons of you guys are still just beginners like I was 6 months ago, and you probably have no previous skills online, you haven't made any money online yet, and you have no social media following, and that's why I have something really cool for you that barely anyone does. And that is, I'm going to give you 3 different traffic sources to make consistent sales, consistent commissions every single day that will allow you to scale your earnings as much as you want to over time. So that's another super cool thing about this new and upgraded training, because I know most of the beginners online struggle with traffic and where to get the traffic from. So I'm also going to reveal you how I was able to get to almost 10,000 subscribers in less than 2 months on YouTube when I was actively posting. So if you ever thought about building authority and building a YouTube channel, or you just want to get monetized your first month and create another source of income for yourself, then keep in mind that as a bonus, I have dedicated the entire module showing you different cool things about YouTube, like how you can get a video go viral, how to get views quickly even if you have 0 subscribers, how to gain 1,000 subscribers your first month and get monetized as quick as possible. So as I said, you can create another source of income, and I will show you much more. And guess what? You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to be in front of a camera. If you're camera shy, you don't have to be in front of a camera. And now, since this is the first day since the updated and upgraded version came out, and it has to be a special day, and I have to give out different gifts and cash prizes to you. So that's why if you click on the first link in the description below, you will be redirected to the page where I will talk about more about the system. And if you decide to enroll and become a member before the countdown on the page hits 0, you will get some cool gifts from me. So you will get a special training made by Brandon Mays called 10x commissions, showing you exactly how you can 10x your results online. So that's really gonna help you a lot once you start getting your first couple of $1,000s using my strategy. Then you will also get Lazy Profit Explosion, another really great product and training to $10,000 a month. If my strategy is not enough, you want to make even more money. Then you will also get a launch hacking formula made by Jono Armstrong, super affiliate who now makes $50,000 to $100,000 per month every single month just by doing launch jacking. You will get all of those secrets as well. Then you will also get 6-figure swipes. If you ever thought about building your email list, that's another great source of income and another great source of traffic. You will also get a blueprint that made $50,000, $100,000 in one single year. And you will get free traffic frenzy showing you how to get even more traffic to your offers. And that's not all. There are some cash prizes, as I said. But before we talk about that, I want you to keep in mind that the older students who have enrolled in the demo version of the training, without those steps, without those bonuses, without those trainings, without those in-depth lectures, they're still able to get some amazing results. As I said, some of them even making up to $1,000 in a single day. And now you can just imagine how much money they will make after all of these upgrades and updates. And during the next 24 hours, I will be picking one of each 10 people who enroll in the course, and that person will not only get their money back and keep the bonuses and keep the training, but they will also win $250 cash prize from me. So if you purchase this training in the next 24 hours, you have a chance to get your money back, to keep this training, to keep the bonuses that will help you get some insane results, and you will also get $250 in cash from me, probably PayPal or direct bank transfer. So without further ado, click on the first link in the description before the countdown hits 0, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside of the membership area.